Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can format date and times in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and I have opened my spreadsheet as well, and we're going to format date and time on this column. So the first thing we have to do is selecting the column that we're going to format, and after that we can click on this A button. Then we can click on cell right here, then just scroll down your screen until you find number format, and this is the number format. You just have to tap on it, and since we want to format as date and time, we can click on date and time right here guys. You have to scroll your screen to find it and just tap on date and time format. Okay, and we can click on this button, and if we want to fill this column with date and time, we just need to tap on the column like this, double click on the column, then you can click on this icon, this calendar icon. So just tap on it, then select the date. For example, I'm going to select 10, then click on OK. And for the time, I'm going to select I'm going to select this one, and for the minute I'm going to select 14. Okay, and after we're done we can click on OK. Alright guys, and that's how we can format date and times in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.